Yo ebusia me mo bia kwaba eba the fabulous zone so ene asembe na ho ye nyina enim se Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye ne ES Sétif CAF Confederation Cup playoff second round no ebo I say you obi maso Algeria na ye dia kensin kwahye so we Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no omo move mafa private jets, a chartered flights, omo charter flights, Ghana Air Force flight and omo use ya omo dey call Algeria akwakosi akan we. Now we I can see we fans ni bi wo ho asa bi mu pesa omo kire say game ni kwa atene fie lusu 2-1 te hu hia mpo say be kwa akobọ kamasa. This is Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We don't give up. This is a club by moto ye wukum apem a apem beba. Oma ba be kum apem ye de apem ebe sori akoho. Now qualification is possible. Munyina muntie ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Qualification is possible. This mission is possible. It is not done yet. It is not over until it's over. Let's go there. Let's go and give it our best. Let's go all out. I know we can go there and get qualification wo hono. In that sense, we are show mu 2-1, na yakọ penalties, na show mu, and I be show mu 3-2, and I be show mu 2-0. Whichever way, no, it is doable, it is achievable. So Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans amabumebu say hiampo say be call Algeria na we a CAF competition. One kwa, I think there will be some ban or some punishment whatever for you. So you can't just say about first leg and you lose to my second leg no derby and no small clubs and clubs are money that only so adi hunu wo form and on behave sir. This is Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We are not going to give up. We will go all out and see what comes out of that game. Now yen share players team no ediko pim wo Algeria e wo the chartered flights no so. Yes, chartered flights. Yen share goalkeepers yawo say the munim no Abalora, Kwame Ba, Felix Anan. These are the three goalkeepers I call now. Defenders so say Christopher Nete, Samuel Frimpong, Ibrahim Moro, Ismail Ganiu, Habib Mohammed, we have Yusuf Mubarak, Wahab Adams, Andrews Apau. These are the defenders omo eka team no ho amoko. Na your midfielders yawo Dom Frimpong, yawo Emmanuel Sarkodie. We have the fantastic player Fabio Gama, yawo Latif Anabila, yawo Mudasiru Salifu, and also eka team no ho amoko. These are the midfielders, and at the forwards no so yawo Kwame Opoku, Nabi Keita, Emmanuel Jemfi, and Godfred Isiama. These are the players I did then. Echo and that screen so no. These are the players I Kotoko Idiko PM or Algeria. But oh, you're fan of Umpire for third team ne echi. This mission is possible. This game na Yakobono, it is not over. It's memo bia be mo bia ntine fie mekeka abembunse bia. We will go out there and make Kumasi Asante Kotoko proud. So yeah, share the be game no more about what you and leave it in the comment section. And Mr. Way for no share video we are the best now press the subscribe button na man. So the way release the video 10 ubenya notification device no so. Yeah, for musi say na share the be film about Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the Fabulous Zone for Porcupines by Porcupines.